Assalamu alaikum boys, very good morning today. I hope that everybody have taken the breakfast properly, and I also hope that you have offer prayer the Fajr, and you people are respecting your parents and obeying your parents properly, and your parents will be also very happy with you people. So today we will start our English listening class. This is Mr. Naushad, your English listening teacher. If you remember that I used to teach you social study English, sometimes it depends that what subject management handed me over to teach you people. So now I will teach you English listening class. So today our first class in listening, okay, it's online first class. As regular face to face I teach you and you know me. So the criteria of this listening class is we are not going to go through the Broadway listening book. It's something different material I will provide you. You can see on computers. Only you have to see and watch and listen the computer visual slides, and also you have to listen very carefully so you can understand. In first slide there is some title. In second slide the listening activity, you have to listen very carefully. In the third slide whatever you will listen, the exercise activity is there. You have to complete this exercise after listening. Similarly the fourth slide again listening, and the fifth slide is the activity of your listening. So let's come to the second slide, which is the purely for the listening.
A soccer goalie. She plays soccer. She has a uniform. She wears her uniform every Saturday. Her team plays every Saturday. Her team wins sometimes. Her team loses sometimes. She is the goalie. She stands in front of the goal. She blocks shots. Sometimes she misses. Then the other team scores. That makes her unhappy.
So boys, in this slide there is a unit 56. Here you can see written over there whatever you will listen in slide 2. You have to select the right answers after listening the units, and then you will select which one is correct, because your correct answer will indicate that you have listened the voice, the speaker voice very properly, if your answer will be correct. So you have to select the right answer for this in this slide.
A soft, wet frog. Frogs are outside his house. They are quiet in the daytime. They are noisy at night. It is nighttime. The frogs are singing. He grabs a flashlight. He goes outside. He shines the light on a frog. It hops. He picks it up. It is soft and wet. It kicks its legs. He puts it down.
Yes, here again boys, in this slide you will see the true and false. Which is the true answer? You have to just say that this sentence is true, and if it's a false then you will say the false. And after that there is another activity which is called the fill in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks after listening the conversation, and you have to answer in a proper way after that. And after these slides I will also ask you a different questions regarding the slides, so you have to be very active to understand and to reply this. Okay boys, thank you.